Hi everyone, I'm so glad to see you back. Behind me we have our newest project, this beautiful BMW M4. Soon you'll receive new skin. Very impressive color. It's gonna be bright and very bright. So stay tuned for that. So car is clean, we did clay barring, cleaning, washing, and now it's time to remove parts. Because cars are white and we're doing full color change, we'll need to remove more parts than we usually will do on the black car. We'll take front bumper off, rear bumper off, handles. In this case mirrors we'll leave it, and we will take spoiler and badges off as well. Taillights will come off. So let's begin. So as you see, car is ready, and now's the time to lay vinyl. So guys, as you see, finally after a few long days, this BMW M4 is finished. We did a full wrap using Avery Dennison material, as well we wrapped brake calipers, we applied ceramic coating on the entire car, and we installed carbon fiber parts. And it looked amazing. So thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, it's me WrapVirus, and I will see you next time.